Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here and today I am with Limitless Productions and today I have Saili, Parth and Mayank with me and they are going to say something about them. Start.
Hi, I'm Saili and we are here to promote our short film which is going to release soon. It's called Let's Play.
And it's directed by Yash Barot and produced by Limitless Productions.
So we are the three characters in the film, Ayush, Nisha and Abraham.
Yeah, before that, I have something for you guys. So have it.
Thank you.
How sweet, thank you.
Thank you.
Why aren't you having one?
Yeah, I'll have.
I love toothpaste. I will say all day.
Guys, there was a toothpaste inside it and it was a prank on them. So how you feel? How was its taste?
Fresh.
I feel good because I was looking for chewing gum, I couldn't find any.
But you're going to eat the toothpaste? Seriously?
It's okay.
It's really good, dude. You guys all should try
Yeah,
this
you
at
should
home.
try it.
Yeah, for sure.
I was like, is this a new flavor or Oreo or something?
We loved it. Go home, try some Oreo toothpaste.
Yeah, so they are the actors. So before that, we'll check their creativity. So since it is a Christmas week coming ahead, so I have 4 candles and we are going to decorate that. Before that, I will give only one thing for you guys to use while decorating it.
Okay. The candle you have to decorate.
Yeah. And the catch is, just like your movie, you can't stand up before it's totally decorated.
You can't stand up.
Yeah.
Okay.
But what do you have to stand up and do?
Yeah.
Nothing, but you can't leave from here
Okay.
before decorating it.
You never leave.
Okay, so let's start. So I have 4 chits and in each of the chits there is written the materials which you can use. So take,
We all have different ones.
yeah.
Now you can't copy.
So what do you have? Tell.
Oh wow.
Colored paper.
Colored tape.
Colored pen.
Sparkle.
I think I have the best one.
No.
I have the best one.
Colored tape, dude. I can do anything.
All are
You have
best.
to use zero of your brain.
Okay.
Exactly.
You
So
don't
let's
have
start.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a catch. You have only 3 minutes to decorate.
Okay.
3 minutes.
I think that
so
would be
let's-
enough for us creative souls.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool. And who got colored pens? You know, take
Thank you.
Tape.
tapes,
Thank you.
Yeah, so many.
papers.
She doesn't get glue. One item only.
Yeah, only one item.
Only one
Hey, glue
item.
is fine,
I
but
need to stick it.
She's a what are you studying? Designing student.
Designer.
I
No glue.
Arey, glue is fine. You have to
design
give
student
it.
as of now. I'm just in my 12th.
But we have to give the
Fine, I'll
glue.
do it without the glue.
She'll do it without the glue.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You have to do with the paper.
I would.
She'll eat it if she has to. Don't give it.
Okay. And I've got the sparkles. So let's
first.
start.
Guys, 4 seconds.
Stop. Hey, stop, Parth.
Stop.
Parth.
I'm done. I'm just like playing around with it. Cool.
Okay.
So start with you, Parth.
Show your candle.
Okay.
It's something like rocket. Seriously.
Okay, close. But anyone wants to try? Come on, guys. At least try.
Show yours.
Like if you look closely, it has eyes, nose and a smile. It's Candy the Candle Elf.
Yeah, awesome, huh? Nice. So I have made something like this using green, golden and red. Yeah, since it was only 3 minutes. Do comment below whose candle is best. Comment my name.
And also follow us all on Instagram and Facebook and Snapchat and everything else that you are on.
Okay.
Instagram.
Loser.
Sally will put on
Your candle is worst. Don't even ask.
candle is the
My
best
candle-
because
My
simplicity
candle is
the
best.
best thing you
I
I
didn't
made a
use
woman.
glue.
I didn't
Okay.
Don't put her clothes off. dude.
Okay, listen.
Look at this woman, she's putting her clothes off.
Stop. I have something to ask. Do you guys fight while acting also or what?
No.
On
Oh,
set?
that's why we have to control ourselves, but on set, yes, we do.
Yes.
We all keep fighting.
Yes, we
Can I
did.
put this
Yes, we
aside?
did.
Yeah,
It's
put,
reminding me a lot
yeah.
of sides.
So I want to ask you something that does she speaks at same level in the movie? She's speaking so much,
No,
seriously.
उसका character ज़्यादा समझदार है इससे.
Live in the
Okay, tell about your movie.
Tell about a movie, please.
So our movie, it's called Let's Play, and it talks about a lot of social issues. It's kind of a very serious topic, but you'll enjoy watching it.
And so Let's Play, like she said, is a movie that talks about the social issues that everyone around us is facing right now. And we believe, I don't know about them.
Yeah, we believe.
I definitely
Even I
I don't
believe.
know about
So
that.
they
Yeah.
all believe that if you watch that film, then you probably might even find a solution to whatever
Many
problem.
problems, too
Yeah,
many
a lot of the problems.
I think the main focus of a film is to get someone thinking,
Yeah.
and if you start thinking of a topic,
thinking out of the box.
yes,
Thinking out of the box is what we're trying to convey to the audience.
And the motto is that there are many problems, so you can't run from those problems. You have to face them and solve them.
Yeah, let's play, man.
Let's play, man. Let's
Yeah.
play
play with
with
your
our
life.
problems, dude. Not with your
So
life.
When it's getting...
don't
Don't
live
play
your
with your
life.
life.
That's dangerous.
Play with your life, enjoy.
Okay, so when it's coming on YouTube?
It will be released on 15th December.
Yeah.
On
Okay.
our channel,
On our
Limitless
channel, Limitless
Productions.
Productions. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Subscribe to her channel also.
Yeah, hers also. And ours also.
What are you guys doing?
She
Pillows
gave
are
us these
really
really awesome pillows.
No, I haven't given them. They have took it.
That describe our personality the best.
Yeah.
Guys, they are not listening to me. They are out of control. I don't know how director must have controlled them.
Okay, okay.
Kylie, please.
We have a surprise for you.
Yeah,
For
we
me?
do- Thank you for these pillows, and now we'll give you some
Yeah.
No, I'm not gifting you
We
pillows.
are gifting
So-
you an iPhone.
iPad.
iPad.
No, but
iPad.
we want to launch the teaser of our movie on your channel. So if you would allow us.
Obviously,
This is the teaser.
seriously,
Yes.
thank you. OMG, it's so nice. It's getting curious after seeing this.
Yeah.
You guys have
Thank you.
really done very nice.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
I hope you liked the movie as much as you liked it.
I
Yeah.
hope you people also like
Yeah,
it.
do watch.
Definitely.
Really, it's very nice. Have you felt making candles?
First, I was pissed off.
I enjoyed the process
Yeah,
because
I
I
enjoyed
thought I did a really good job, and we'll find out in the comments who's the
Yeah,
best.
I feel I did the best,
vote
which
for
I
me.
always
See my
do
Fingers.
because I didn't use the glue.
See my fingers.
Okay.
they're
But
very
her
good.
candle was so
Usually-
nice.
Usually, you guys.
Her candle,
Her candle was the only one
genuinely
which was
amazing.
aesthetically appealing.
Yes,
Which
but
was according to the theme.
but vote for mine. And
No.
okay, so moving on to the next thing, I really want to take this opportunity to thank her for having us. So
Thank you for having
Thank you
us.
so much.
Okay.
And tolerating us.
Tolerating
Yeah.
us, yeah, it's not an easy task, trust me.
Please subscribe to our
Um,
channel.
Subscribe to Fun with Dhruvi.
Yes.
Yes,
Like
because
her
we had
videos,
lots of
share
fun
her
with
videos.
Ruby, and we hope you will also have watching her videos.
Yes.
Hope you guys can get involved in the creative process just like.
Do you guys be creative and do such things usually?
No, we just create.
Usually
I,
not.
I do.
I
You
just
do.
get
What
creative
about
on
you?
camera.
You?
Does movie making count as creative?
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
obviously.
So then yes, we are very creative.
Yeah, we are creative.
We are
We are very
creative
creative
people.
people.
Extremely
Yeah.
creative.
But this kind of creativity I haven't done in a long time.
Yeah.
I did as
Maybe in
as-
schools.
Maybe yeah, in
Maybe,
school.
yeah, in
So
school.
this took me back to
Nostalgic feeling.
my childhood. Yeah, nostalgic feelings. So I'd really like to thank you for that also. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure all of them also.
Yeah, I enjoyed a
feel the
lot.
same.
I was
Genuinely.
pissed off, but I enjoyed it.
And how you felt like coming in my channel?
It was-
You want to say something to the viewers?
Yeah, it was really good, and I enjoyed a lot because it's very honest, and we all enjoyed it. It was very candid, and it was fun.
You know, sometimes we need some time to create a bond with anyone, but Fun with Ruby is so
Fun.
so fun. Yeah.
And it was very easy going.
And
Yeah.
Dhruvi is so fun. Like
She is.
she's such a warm person. She kept us all very comfortable over.
She got us food.
food.
Yeah.
Though the Oreo prank is forgiven.
She
But
got me
We
to
actually
smile.
liked it. You know, you guys seriously should try that at home.
Oreo with
Oreo with toothpaste.
And we are
Toothpaste.
taking away her pillows.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are ours now.
You won't see them
You will
next
not see them in the
time.
next video. So thank you so much, Dhruvi, for that. as well.
Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the memento.
And
Okay.
Thank you for
even
the
the other
candles.
even the other videos that we did were probably not as warm. It was a
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
scripted kind of.
Okay, that's what my next question would be. Like, always use script and be on camera. Yeah. This was the maybe first time without scripting. So how you guys felt?
It was nice. This was like showing our true personality.
We felt like we were with a friend.
Yeah.
Yes.
We are with a
Yeah,
friend.
And we also felt that the camera is not on and we are just
Yeah.
talking, we are
Yeah.
chilling.
Yeah, because most of the times I think that is what happened.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
I'm pretty
is
sure the audience feels the same way seeing her videos.
Yeah,
I'm
see, they are
sure you
so
convey very well to them.
hiding.
Yeah, but we
Nah, but
agree,
she's
we all-
very sweet.
We
huh?
all agree on one thing collectively, that we had a great time on
Yeah,
this
Yes,
yeah,
we
yeah.
had a
And that
Yeah.
she's an amazing person. A great round of applause for her.
Do subscribe.
Do subscribe.
Do
Go watch
subscribe.
our teaser.
Yeah.
Like
and
it.
15
Like.
December.
15
our film.
Let's
Yeah.
play Limitless production.
And even see their film. Their film is amazing. I can say seriously, they are really amazing person.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so
And-
much. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.
I just say one more thing.
Oh,
I
I'm
upload.
sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't
I
go.
upload-
Don't go. Don't go.
I upload my videos on every Sunday. So do check.
Okay.
Sunday is
Sunday.
God's day. Sunday is fun day. Sunday is family day. And now Sunday is fun with Dhruvi.
And
So sit with
Sunday
your
is free.
family.
So sit
Sunday
with your
like-
family.
Yeah. Watch it from different accounts, huh?
Yeah, some
Count the
Saturday
views.
mistake now.
Okay, so bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you
Bye.
so much. See you.